One time for all the real niggas to report in.
Yeah.
If you getting that bag, I don't care how you getting it, you know what I'm saying? Just report in. Throw your middle finger in the air, throw your set up, nigga.
She want that trap shit, that rap shit, that act shit, that really cap shit. That's the shit I don't really fuck with. I can't really get your shooter hit. I can really get your man split in the big league with my real G's. Throw your sets up, nigga, what you tryna see? I ain't really tryna see you false claiming. Damn, you miss, boy, you better start aiming. Through a scope, who you blaming? You want some petty shit, you want that snitching shit, you want that telling shit. I can't fuck with, I gotta get a bad bitch. I'm all in the hood, trapping with them slabs, bitch. I'm on that ratchet shit, BDL killing. I'm on that ratchet shit, BDL drilling. I'm on that ratchet shit, I ain't gotta say nothing. My team will get them, I ain't gotta spray nothing. CEO, nigga, what a boss go. Crossed out your whole team, nigga, 16 glow. Be quiet, you know they tellin' in that room. Call up my hitter, nigga, call up my goon. 60-some shots, it's a killing spree. I gotta charge it, homie, or fuck nigga fee. He might be feds or the police. Get from around me, he's tryna clown me. I know I'm in the hood with the burglar bar, spraying in the doors. If a nigga come talking, then we showing them foes. Black bandana just to rock with the clothes. Nigga, call my phone cause I'm selling the O's. 16, you say you got that? Ayy, I'm on that ratchet shit, oh nah nah. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh nah nah. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh nah nah. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh. I'm on that ratchet shit, oh nah nah. I'm on that ratchet shit.
Bitch, I'm on that ratchet shit. Bitch, ain't no caption shit. You ain't fucking with my niggas, then don't need no accent kit. Listen, if you want that picnic, you know we be having it. I don't give a fuck, we'll spray you at your picnic basket shit. Listen, what you wanna do, my niggas with this shit. We don't even give a fuck about your clique, about your bitch, about your kids, about your shit. We'll shoot inside your whip, run up inside your crib. Wait, I'm telling too much shit. They don't even know about it. We gon' run the game, we got it. Yeah, they mad at me, better stop it. For my niggas come get profit. Ain't no way that we stopping all that bullshit that you knocking. All the way that we dropping. All the way that we dropping. Never that, we gon' get it back. And you mad at me cause you hella whack and you talking shit, but y'all gang is weak. Y'all niggas know where my niggas at. So if you want to be, you come get where my niggas at. We'll clap shit up real niggas. You already know what I've been with that.
Four way, don't make me come your way, puss ass nigga.